excited. I was just going into it with no expectations. If you asked me what my goal was for the 2 breast, I really just wanted to break 230, and then I was pretty surprised to throw up a 226, especially in prelims, since usually I don't have the greatest prelims races, but I think it's just a testament to the training and work I've put in here at UVA, but I'm really excited about it. I actually ended up racing the 200 IM where I was close to my best time, and then I also did 50 breaststroke, but I disqualified that one.
Why no 100 breast?
So I've actually, since NCAA's, I've decided to, Coach Todd and I have decided to stop training sprint breaststroke, and I've really struggled getting that upper end speed this season. If I would swim the 100 breaststroke, usually the same meet I would take out my 200 in the exact same time. So instead I've decided to train a lot more sprint fly to focus on 100 fly for next season instead of 100 breast. So I was tired. We thought better to rest me. I hadn't really been training that sprint breaststroke as much. I think stopping the sprint breaststroke practices is something that would really help me. They were definitely frustrating to swim one of those practices and not go any faster really than 200 speed. So I think that's something that's really helped me. And then I'm also just a better long course swimmer, so getting to train more long course. We did some during the short course season, but doing a lot more of that I think really prepared me. It definitely excites me that I was able to take out my 200 pretty quick. I think I was out in a 110, but I definitely think that training that sprint fly has helped me build that power in a different way. And then I've still been training aerobic breaststroke, which definitely you need to do for 200. It's definitely been a big transition. Just we spend so many more hours in the pool and in the weight room, and I lifted weights before but not as much, and then I think it's definitely taken some trial and error, switching around my training, figuring out what practices I need to do and what works best for me. So it was definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but I think this meet shows that I have a lot of potential, and I'm excited to keep putting in the work and seeing what's next to come. The practices are super hard, but just how positive all my teammates are around me, that's definitely something that makes it easy to swim fast and give it your all every single day. But it's also just so incredible to see how fast my teammates are swimming. It's super motivating, and it definitely pushes me to be a better athlete. It is my first international meet. I was close to a few of the junior rosters, but I never made any of those, so I'm really excited to get that opportunity to race for the Stars and Stripes. I just couldn't be more excited to go over there and swim. I would have to guess that the next 2 weeks are going to be pretty tough training-wise, just to get us ready and back into top-tier shape for that. I actually didn't taper that much for trials, which I had tapered a lot for ACCs and NCAAs, and then I ended up swimming better at trials, so maybe we'll go with the same method if it works for trials so well. And then after that, refocus for the college season.